Guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please make sure you subscribe. And to my old subscribers, I say a lot of thank you for the love, thank you for always coming back to my channel. And I'm excited because I clocked 100 subscribers yesterday. Thank you so much, guys. So in today's video, there is something I saw on the net and I want us to try it out. Is the palm oil face mask. I know some people try it with sugar, some people try it with turmeric, and I don't know, but for this video I'm trying just the palm oil. The palm oil we use in cooking, the red palm oil we use in cooking. Yes, it's good for the skin. I read about it on the net. I made a lot of research about it, and it softens the skin, it clears dark spots, it makes your skin soft. So before you start, please just make sure you put on a clothes that you understand, you don't mind the stain, just like I'm doing now. And you start with a washly fresh face, but I'm not washing my face. I'll just spray it with water before I apply the oil on my face. So I'll use my hand to, as you can see, use my hand, just little of it, apply it. Can you see? Can you see it? So I will leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes. So if you want that soft skin, that succulent skin, you can try this out. And it also it has antioxidants that prevent the face from environmental toxins like vitamin E and so I know it's kind of messy. So if you've tried it out, I know there are some other types like mixing it with turmeric. Maybe you can try that some other times. And it's also good for the hair, for my ladies that keep natural hair most especially. So maybe I'll be doing a video on that very soon, but for now I have a protective hairstyle on. So maybe when I put this protective hairstyle off, I will try it out. So now I'm through with the application, applying it on my skin. So I'll leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll wash it off and show you the result after that. Thank you. Okay guys, so I just wash it off. So can you see my face? Oh my god, this gets fine. I'm feeling oh god, I'm feeling myself. Can you see the skin? My skin feels so moisturized and it feels so soft. So will I be trying this out another time? Yes, maybe once in a week, but it's kind of messy, and when I was watching it, it entered my eyes, and then but at least we'll be fine now, you understand? So if you've tried this out before, or you try it out, or after you've tried it, that is after watching this video, don't forget to drop a comment down below, please. I want to see your comments. And if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new here again, don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.